one for us in Vietnam, our 5th country. We are here in Hanoi. We got in late last night and got checked into a cozy and homey guest house in Hanoi's old quarters. We are so excited to be here, and today is going to be all about the food. We are taking ourselves on a DIY food tour, and that's going to start with breakfast.
Turns out northern Vietnam in December is actually pretty cold. We showed up last night from Thailand in t-shirts and shorts, and everybody's in their winter coats. Now we're much more appropriately dressed.
He left me. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh my God. I am excited.
Me too.
One of these is chicken, and one of these is the special with pork. We don't know which is which.
Our first day in Vietnam can't start without a Bahn Mi.
Pork or chicken?
This one's the pork. This is really good. We have not had a whole lot of bread since coming to Southeast Asia, and this is really good.
That bread is so fresh, perfectly toasted. I'm not sure what the sauce is on it yet. This is good.
The Bahn Mi has quite the colorful history dating back all the way to the French colonial times, and it's a really popular breakfast. I can definitely see why, and it was only $1.
I am sold. I don't know where it went. This place. Check. We're making our way around the old quarter, and now it's time for some coffee. This has to be one of the coolest coffee shops I've ever been to.
That is so cool.
Oh my gosh. We just had egg coffee, which as the name implies is made with egg yolks, sugar, condensed milk, and honey. They beat it all together for like 10 minutes, and it creates this airy, fluffy, meringue-like goodness that they pour over the coffee. We had heard about this quite some time ago, and I am so excited to try it. I was not expecting it to be so thick. I don't know if I should drink it or eat it with a spoon. That is really good.
Egg coffee was actually first made here in Hanoi as a result of a milk shortage back in the 40s, and we're here at a cafe run by one of the children of the original creator. I gotta admit, I was definitely hedging my bets and thinking we should only get one of these, but I'm really glad we went ahead and got 2.
That was delicious and actually quite filling. It's warming up now.
We've been wandering around the city a little bit and started getting hungry for lunch. We walked by this place with a ton of people eating noodles. They just set up a table for us.
We both got pho, I got chicken, and Miles got beef. Pho is probably one of the most famous Vietnamese dishes. It's typically eaten for breakfast, but it tastes just as good at lunchtime to me. We came back to our place for the past couple of hours to get some planning done for the next few days in northern Vietnam, but now we are venturing back out because it's time to eat some more food.
We came here to try Bahn Mi Hoi An, which is a steamed rice roll, basically like a thin crepe made of rice powder that's then stuffed with some minced meat, and I'm super excited.
Yeah. Fish oil?
Fish oil?
Yes. Chili and lemon cook and fish oil.
Thank you. Verdict?
The rice roll is really gooey and the meat on the inside is super flavorful, and then there's this crunchy like fried garlic or maybe onions on top that adds a little bit of texture. It's delicious.
That was a great way to start the night.
And it costs a little over $1.
There is not an inch that is safe from a scooter.
Stop for a beer. I guess there's a football game going on tonight, so it is absolutely nuts.
Everyone in this city has stopped what they're doing and gone to a TV to watch this football game. We came here to try the Bahn Mis, which literally means sizzling pancake, and I am a sucker for anything that calls itself a pancake. Holy cow.
That thing is huge.
That's the biggest pancake I've ever seen. She saw us get out our chopsticks, our fork, and our spoon, and decided she needed to show us what to do.
I'm glad because we have no idea.
The rice paper.
All right. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. I am really glad she explained it like that because there is no way I would have eaten it like that. I didn't even know this part was edible. That was delicious, and now we have one final stop before we call it a night.
Oh.
Looks close to what it did when we bought it. I don't think this is traditional to Vietnam at all, but still a great way to end the night.